Good morning, children. So, children, up till yesterday, we have stopped the lesson. Still, we were on Unit 2. The unit we were just to complete. So, I have started because this week you are going to attend second weekly test of EVS. So, children, you know the pattern that you have to write the test on that day, and the next day when you will receive the answer sheet, what you have to do? You have to do cross-checking of that, and you have to send your weekly test marks. Last time many of you have failed to send on that particular day on Monday. So this time don't do. As soon as you receive your answer sheet, you have to do cross-check with the help of your parents and send your scored marks so that we can feed it up in the computer. Otherwise, you will be shown as absent. Now children, what we will do for this weekly test from Unit 2, My Amazing Body. Here we have learned all about our 5 sense organs. So from page number 162 to 166, what we will do? We will revise it. Okay? From page number 162. From there up till the question answers from page 166 and the exercise all about your legs, hands, feet, mouth, we will do revision. Before that, note down your homework. Your homework is read and practice. Page number 162 to 166. From textbook as well as notebook, you have to practice and prepare for test. Prepare for your test. Okay? So now, don't waste your time. Open your textbook, page number 162. We will do the reading. See children, open page 162. Let us start. So here, see. I know my body has different parts which have different functions. Some parts I can see. So which part you can see? 2 eyes that help me to see. 2 ears that help me to hear. 1 nose that help me to smell. Hands, 2 hands that help me to feel and do work. 1 tongue that help me to taste. These are my sense organs. So all these are my sense organs. Now see, this is a part of a body. Here you have to label the parts. I also see here head, cheek, teeth, neck, elbow, fingers, hand, wrist, knee, ankle, foot, toes. So these are the things you have to do, label the parts. Okay, come to next page. See children, our brain is better than the best computer. See, it helps us to think and control my whole body. It is protected by the skull. It is the boss. So this question and answer you have to read it. And come to this here, one question is there. What do you think will happen if it gets tired? So what we will do children? We will do these answers once again from our notebook. And one more question is there. Name 3 parts of your body of which you have a pair. So now I will open the notebook and we will do reading from there. See, our brain is better than the best computer. It helps us to think, control our body. It is protected by the skull and understand our environment. The next question, what do you think will happen if our stomachs gets tired? If our stomachs get tired, it cannot digest the food we have eaten. We may feel weak, fall sick and be unable to do any work. Find out, are there any other organs you have heard? See, a human body has internal parts like liver, kidneys, intestine, etc. So this question when I have given in the notebook, this you have to by heart it children. And if you want, you can write and practice it. Now let us move next. See one more question. Name 3 parts of your body of which you have a pair. See the answer. We have 2 eyes, 2 hands, 2 feet, 2 lungs, 2 ankles, and 2 kidneys. So these question answers you have to by heart it. Okay children? Now see children, this is page number 165. What you have to do? You have to label the parts. So now you know how to label the parts. See, one arrow has given. Now be a doctor and put the organs in the right place by drawing arrows. This again, once again you have to practice it. Come to the exercise 1. Change the word in color to make true sentence. Here I have changed it. Nose turns to eyes. Here stomach, feet. The red color words you have changed it to make the sentence true. Here becomes smell. Taste become hold. Ears become nose. Heart become brain. See here. I see with my eyes. The sentence should be correct. So here you have to underline or the color words you have to change it to the true sentence. I jump with my feet. I smell with my nose. I hold with my hands. I breathe with my ears. I breathe with my ears given nose we have to write. I breathe with my nose. I think with my heart given. You have to write brain. So I think with my brain. Now let us open our notebook and we will read how to write in the exam. See children, I have given this in the notebook. Change the word in color to make true sentence. I see with my nose. Answer is I see with my eyes. I jump with my stomach. If the question is given like this way, you have to write answer in this way. I jump with my feet. I hear with my nose. I smell with my nose. I taste with my hands. I hold with my hands. I breathe with my ears. I breathe with my nose. I think with my heart. I think with my brain. So this you have to read it. Okay children, from page number 165 you have to read this exercise. Now move to the next part, that is question and answer from page 166. See children, this is page number 166. Here question answers are there. Here fifth one. Here with the picture I will show you. Cross out the things you should never touch. So which thing you should not touch? Knife. Then cactus plant and fire. Remaining candle, book and boat you can touch it. So these question answers which is here we have written in the notebook. We will read from there. Now one more exercise. Which part of your body will you use the most while? This exercise also from page 166 we will read from the notebook. See children, question and answer. What does your heart do? So what is the answer? My heart is like a pump. It supplies pure blood to the whole body. What is the answer of this question? What does your heart do? My heart is like a pump. It supplies pure blood to the whole body. Question number 2. What does the skull do? Answer is the skull is a strong bony cage. It protects our brain. What is the next question? What does the skull do? The skull is a strong bony cage. It protects our brain. Turn to next page. See, how do your hands help you? Mention 4 things. My hands help me to write, draw, catch things and throw a ball. Mention all the actions your eyes can do. So what is the next answer? My eyes can be opened and shut. I can wink. I can wide open and show anger. And the 5th question, cross out the wrong things you should never touch. That is knife, cactus and fire. So children, you have to by heart all these 5 question and answer. Moving to the next one, that is which part of your body you will you see the most while. Okay, come to that part. We will read and complete our revision. Now see, moving to the next one. Which part of your body will you use the most while? Legs. I use my legs for kicking. Why do you use legs? I use my legs for kicking. If you will give like this way, you have to write the sentence. Brain. I use my brain for solving maths problems. I use my brains for solving maths problems. Eyes. I use my eyes to watch television. I use my eyes to watch programs on television. Both the sentence is correct. Feet. I use my feet to jump. So with the help of feet, you can walk and you can jump. Hands and mouth. I hold a glass with my hands and drink with my mouth. So here hands and mouth, how we use? I hold a glass with my hand and drink with my mouth. Legs. I use my legs to run, to walk or to jump. Now feet and hands. Here the use of feet and hands is there. I use my feet to pedal the cycle and stands to steer it. To steer means to keep the balance. Feet and hands. I use my feet to pedal the cycle and hands to steer it. Hands and feet. I use a hand to hold an apple and teeth to chew it. Hands and feet. Why do we use hands and feet? I use a hand to hold an apple and teeth to chew it. So these are from this part from the test book. So children, from page number 162 to 166 you have to cover all the portion for this weekly test. So as I told you, send your marks within time and be updated. Okay children, have a nice time. Bye.